The top work-from-home side hustle for newcomers, perfect for beginners. Would you believe me if I said that it's possible to earn more than $10,000 per month through an entirely online business that enables you to work from almost anywhere in the world? You might be skeptical for sure, and you want to see with your own eyes how to exactly do this. I can't blame you if you're hesitant, but it's true and completely legit. In this video, I'll show you a lucrative online business that you can easily do from the comfort of your own home. The side hustle that many people are talking about is called a niche YouTube channel operator. The term may not be familiar, but once I tell you about the concept, you'll be excited to be one right away. Okay, so let me explain. You can make extra money by running a YouTube channel focused on a specific topic. But it's not the typical YouTube gig where you have to show yourself on camera or create videos. What I'll share with you is a genuine side hustle that many people are doing now. So I can assure you that this method has been tried and tested a million times and has proven to work really well. The whole concept of being a niche YouTube channel operator is really simple, and it has been around for a long time now. This is the main idea of many YouTube videos that you probably watch 1,000 times, like those top 10 lists, tutorials, commentaries, or news. The people talking in these videos do not need to show their faces, and yet many people watch their videos. It's possible that one of your favorite YouTube channels is run and managed by a 15-year-old kid, because anyone, regardless of age, gender, or race, can literally do this and earn money. So, let me explain how this business model works. Basically, what you need to do is come up with ideas, search for and download videos, repurpose them, and upload them repeatedly. I consider this to be the best side hustle because you can start it with zero upfront cost or investment. Again, this strategy is not new. Many YouTube channels are doing this, and they've earned a significant amount of money. You might be wondering how this makes money. It's quite simple, really. Advertisers place ads on your videos, and every time someone watches an ad on one of your videos, you get paid. Google AdSense, which is linked to YouTube, then sends you a monthly check based on how many views you receive. So it doesn't matter how many subscribers, likes, or comments you have. The only thing that counts is the number of monetized views you receive each month. When you upload well-optimized content that follows specific formulas and mimics what's already working, all of your videos will start to complement each other, leading to exponential growth. You might still be skeptical at this point, and that's understandable. Let me give you an example. The channel Brainy Dose gets more than 4 million views per month. You might be curious about how much money Brainy Dose is making from all those views. Based on my calculations, the channel is probably making around $5 for every 1,000 views, which would amount to more than $20,000 per month just from ad revenue. What's even more impressive is that a lot of these views are from old videos that were uploaded years ago. You only need to upload your videos once and they'll remain on YouTube forever, potentially generating revenue for years to come. Here's another example. Buddy Hub is a YouTube channel in the health niche that already receives millions of views each month by simply uploading health-related content. I know that you're starting to get intrigued with this strategy, but the only thing that's stopping you is the thought of appearing on cameras. You don't want to show your face, but you really want to give it a try. You might be thinking that creating these videos is difficult and wondering what kind of content these channels are actually uploading. The truth is, the channels I mentioned are using what are called stock videos, which can be downloaded for free from websites like Dareful, Prexels, and Pixabay. Simply downloading and uploading these stock videos as they are won't get you many views. That's why we need to add value to them by either educating them or entertaining them through a voiceover. I'm not going to show you how to do this in these easy steps. The first step is to select your niche. In my opinion, the best niches are those related to health, wealth, psychology, and relationships. In addition, there are niches with a high CPM that make more money per 1,000 views. And examples of this are makeup, travel, cars, movies, technology, finance, and investing. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose the psychology niche. To ensure that the chosen niche is good, we need to follow a quick checklist. Firstly, go to YouTube and then confirm if there are channels receiving at least 500,000 views per month. We can use a free Chrome extension called vidIQ to check this. Secondly, we need to ensure that there are individual videos within the channel with over 100,000 views each. In the case of the psychology niche, all the requirements of the checklist are met, so we're good to go. The second step is to create your YouTube channel. To create your YouTube channel, you can use your existing YouTube account if you've already subscribed to channels. click on your profile picture and select Create Channel to get started. You may give it any name you want. If you need help coming up with a name, you can use the Shopify business name generator. Just enter some keywords related to your channel's niche, and it will generate some suggestions for you. With the help of a business name generator, it will suggest tons of names to choose from. Select the best one that you like and make sure that no other businesses have the same name as yours. To ensure that the channel name you've come up with is not copyrighted, you can use the Global Brand Database website. Go to the website and enter your proposed channel name. Then click on the search button. It'll give you all the names related to your channel name. If you see that no one has the same name, then you're good to go. The next step is to ensure that we have a suitable profile picture. We can easily create one by using a free website called Snappa. Once you go through the website, we need to select the option for the profile picture and browse through several templates available to choose from. It doesn't matter which one we pick because any of them will work. Just edit them and add text, and now you have a profile picture on your YouTube channel. Save it and upload it to your channel. Step 3 is about generating video ideas. Go to YouTube and search for your chosen niche. Look for big channels in that niche. Go to their videos tab and click Most Popular. These are the videos that you can recreate. Write down these ideas in a Google document. The goal is to generate at least 33 video ideas. It may take a while to do this, but that's okay because that's easy to do. Just make sure that these videos have hundreds of thousands of views. Step 4 is to create the videos, and to do this, we start by writing a script that provides value to the audience. For instance, I'm going to create a video on psychological tricks that work. To make this video, I simply copy the script and paste it into a YouTube search to get the top videos that came up. Then, I open the top 3 videos and watch them at twice the speed to save time. While watching, I jotted down the best points from each video to create the ultimate video. It's also possible to use online reference articles for research by Googling the term and seeing what comes up. Additionally, we need to ensure that we rewrite the script in our own words, and there's software that can help us do this. Make your own script on Google Docs, or if you want to avoid having to type out your whole script, you have the option to use the voice typing feature. You can access it by going to the Tools section and clicking on the voice typing option. This feature will automatically transcribe what you're saying. Once you have the script, you can then paste it into a website called wordcounter.net. This website will show you the word count of your script and give you an estimate of your speaking time. It's important to aim for a video length of more than 8 minutes because this allows you to include multiple ads and increase your earnings. Next, we move to another website called copyscape.com and paste the entire script into it. We then click the search button, and this will indicate whether the script is copied from other websites or not. We want to see that no results are found. After this, we can start recording your voice. You can use the built-in recorder on your phone, which works fine. It's okay to make mistakes while recording. You can redo the part and continue. If you're done recording, save it and we'll proceed to the next step. Let's find the best videos to use. To do this task, we need to review our script to identify the topics being discussed. Then we can search for relevant footage on free stock footage websites and download the clips. Alternatively, we can also use photos. One example of a website we can use is pixabay.com, where we can choose to search for videos. To locate appropriate footage, we can search for keywords related to the script. For example, if we're discussing people, we can search for videos of people. Once we find suitable footage, we can click on the free download button and select the desired resolution, which is 1920 by 1080. A file can be downloaded into a phone or a computer. We can repeat this process for each topic in the script, and if we need more footage, we can check other websites as well. It's now time to edit all the footage we've collected. You don't need an expensive video editor to do this. If you're using a computer, you can use free video editors like HitFilm Express, OpenShot, Shortcut, iMovie for Mac, or the Power Director app if you're using a cell phone. Video editing can be pretty simple, and all you need are just some basic skills. However, if you have no idea how to do this, you may check out tutorials on YouTube because it will really depend on what video editor you're using. Once you're done importing all your video footage into the video editor, you can now add audio. You may have to invest a lot of time and patience when it comes to editing if you're a beginner, but if you're not, make sure that your video footage matches the words or certain phrases in your recording. Another tip is to keep each video clip under 5 seconds long. This helps to retain the audience's attention and keep them engaged as the video switches to different clips. I also suggest adding titles to the video, which can be done by going to the point in the video where the title is mentioned. After adding the title, edit it for emphasis. Then we can position the text directly in the center of the video. Adding titles can enhance a viewer's experience and make the video more informative. To finalize the editing process, we need to export the video. Once everything is done, you now have a ready-to-upload video on YouTube. The best thing is that we can do everything independently, even at the start, and create a backlog of videos that can generate revenue for years to come. Once the app finishes processing the video, we will have a finished product ready to go. Step 5 is all about uploading and optimizing the video. To begin with, you should create a unique title for your video and never directly copy someone else's title. You'll also need a thumbnail, which is a cover image that entices as many people as possible to click on your video. To create a thumbnail, you can go back to Snappa and select the YouTube thumbnail from the various templates that they offer. We can then search for an image on pixabay.com to use our thumbnail. To create the thumbnail, we want to keep it simple, easy to read, and create curiosity. We can use successful videos as a reference and analyze what they did for their thumbnails. Edit the image and then add text if necessary. Finally, zoom out the thumbnail to ensure that it's easy to read even if it's small. In step 6, you should aim to upload between 30 and 60 videos, and don't feel discouraged if your channel doesn't become successful after only 10 videos. It typically takes having a backlog of content before your channel starts to gain traction, but when it does, it's incredibly rewarding. Each video on your channel becomes a digital asset that can continue to generate revenue for years to come. As a bonus tip, there's a way to increase your income further. You can visit websites like digistore24.com and clickbank.com and navigate to their marketplace sections. There, you can select the category of your YouTube channel's niche and find a product that's related to it. Then, click on the promote button and add the link to their product in the description of all your YouTube videos. Every time someone buys the product through your link, you earn a commission. This method can often bring in more revenue than advertising alone. I hope you can start doing this side hustle now to earn money. Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video and have a great day. See you soon.